This is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be reviewing a real quick video on the Hank & Henry Cream Contour Stick along with one of their lipsticks. I can't wait to try these. Hank & Henry has some really good products. And I haven't tried their Cream Contour Stick, but I've been loving cream products lately. So let's see. This is in the shade, I don't know if you can read that, Little C, but yes. Now we'll put the prices here. I hope to include an ingredient list as well. I just wanted to show real quick what this looks like, if I can get it out of the packaging. Love it. There we go. This is what it looks like. The packaging, fairly sleek and sexy plastic. So I like that smoky glass effect that's there, and it also reads Hank & Henry on the side there. And the infamous owl symbol, as I like to call it. So let's see what this looks. Ooh. This is a contour stick, honestly. It's a cream contour stick, and I need some color on my face. So I'm looking, I want to see how much product there is in here first. Do this carefully because I don't want this to, that's as much product as you get. It's about the size of the barrel, so that means this is empty. Putting it back carefully again. I'm gonna put it to as close to the tip as I can. Take my reading glasses off, and I'm just going to ooh, that is deep. Now, applying this, I thought it would be creamier, like almost like butter, but not exactly. It's a little more solid. This is more solid than the foundation stick from Maybelline. But then again, this is an indie brand. Maybelline is not. Wow, that's intense. And I'm gonna put a little up here. That's gonna be interesting. So I don't have a scent here, so that's nice. So for those who are confused or concerned about that, but that's there. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. brush. I'm using it a lot lately, and I'm just going to blend this in. Oh my. So if I really want to look sun-kissed, this is the way to go. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna gorgeous pigmentation. It does blend, but if you find that it may be a little too dark or that maybe there's a little too much on one side, you know, you can always correct that. But I'm just like, this is amazing. I love it. Love it. So now I'm wondering, is there a cream blush that Hank & Henry has? Because I would be there for it, definitely. Definitely. Oh, it feels so nice, so good. But again, it also depends on what tool you'll use. But look at that color payoff. Nice. And I'll just blend it in here. Because I definitely needed that color. Okay, now I'm gonna follow up with just a simple look. Maybe I'll use this, well, I'll see. This is the Hank & Henry lipstick. It's in the shade Orgasmic. Is this a little like hello or nod to the NARS Orgasm? The infamous peachy gold color. I wonder, let's see what this looks like. If it's that peachy gold color. The packaging is divine. It's so pretty. Look at the packaging there. Wow. And again, the infamous little owl. And of course the name's in the book, but that packaging is stellar. It's so gorgeous. Oh, and you touch the owl and press it down. And you heard that little click? Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the packaging and this is the lipstick itself, the barrel. Oh, it's not coral at all, but like a fuchsia pink, like a bright pink. Oh, and it's sparkly. Do you see that? I wonder if you can see that on camera. That is so gorgeous. Well, I'm just going to apply this beauty. Oh, but I have a mirror right here. Oh, I haven't used the hot pink like this in a while. It's creamy going on. It's not stiff or, I was wondering if the little sparkles on there was like a sugar scrub, that it was going to be grainy. It's not. And then you just put it right back in. Like that, it clicks back in. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, I gotta get used to this. This is bold, this is bright. But if you're not wearing any, have the contour bronzer on, but I call it bronzer, but it's contour. But it just gives me that glow, that sun-kissed glow, and it feels really nice on the lip. It feels relatively light, like I could tell it's still on my mouth, but it has a very creamy texture. Oh, and I didn't realize that there was a scent to this. No, there's no scent. Okay. Again, this is in the shade Orgasmic, but not a nod to the NARS, because the NARS is more of a peachy gold aesthetic, and this is definitely not. This is like a bold, bright pink. I am loving it. I'm going on a Zoom call soon, so I'm wondering maybe I should just say, I should just keep this on. I don't have anything else on. I think this is it. But I don't know if I would apply that as a blush. That would be maybe a little too pink. I don't know. Oh my gosh. But I definitely look healthy. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you a Hank and Henry fan? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. This is a quick, like, get up and go type of look for me. I am loving it, and I haven't even put on any kind of like spray or setting powder or anything, and I feel like I don't need to, but this is definitely a cute look for Zoom. The only thing I would have to do is fix this hair, but that's another story for another day. Take care, and I hope to see you on my next video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.